What kind of an event is this? A workbook event or a worksheet event?
It's a workbook event.
It's a workbook event, because when you close the workbook, the whole workbook closes, and not a specific sheet. Okay, so let's go to the workbook and find the relevant event which is before close.
It's not. I try to do it in the Mac, but it don't have this kind of.
Are you on a work? You have to be on. Are you on a workbook? Or
Make sure you're on this workbook and in workbook. Okay. Now we have the event, and we have over here cancel as boolean. Okay. So what we are required is, are you sure you want to leave? And that's with a message box that has two buttons, OK and cancel. So we know that when we write a message box that has more than just the prompt, we need to do something equals that message box. Okay, so message box, and the prompt would be this. Okay, the title would be, we can write a title or we can just use the default title. If we want to skip writing the title, what do we do?
Just another comma.
Just another comma to go to the next.
It's the other way around. It's the other way around. Titles third.
Yeah, tell us that we want the buttons.
Oh, right. Okay. Okay, which buttons we want?
Okay and cancel. VB okay cancel.
It's still like.
Okay, the minute I put the comma, it opens over here the options, and I would look for the message box with, this is VB okay cancel.
Yeah.
So I double click on this, and I get a message box, VB okay cancel. Anything else?
Yeah, you want it to stop and not close. You get canceled.
Okay, but that's after we put the message box.
No, you can put a
Okay, now we could put a title. Okay, so now we have a message box. We could over here.
Why do you have to do that?
I don't, but it's good practice, we said, to declare the variables that you're using, so I just added it. Okay, now, now what I want to do is check whether the user clicked OK or cancel. Okay, so if X equals VB cancel, meaning the user click cancel. This is not the way you spell cancel, right? Then what do I want to do? What?
Don't close the worksheet.
Don't close the worksheet, meaning cancel, which is a variable that's already declared for me in the event. Cancel equals true. And if, okay? So what I'm doing over here is, before close, I'm asking, are you sure you want to leave? And it has two buttons, VB OK or cancel, right? Then I check. If it's cancel, then I cancel the close. That's the meaning of the cancel over here. If He pressed OK, then I don't want to do anything. I want it to continue the way it is, meaning it should close. Okay, now when I go to my workbook and I want to close it, are you sure you want to leave? If I press cancel, nothing happens. I don't leave because I cancel the close. But if I press over here OK, then it will close. It will ask me whatever, save, and it closes.
What would happen had we not added the if? Wouldn't it have just canceled anyway?
No.
If you go back to that code.
Really?
Go back to the code start.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good morning. Remember this? Okay. I go to this workbook, and this is the code that I wrote. Okay? I got the frame from choosing the before close, and I added this. Questions?
Yeah, if you didn't add that, then it would just end on its own. If you didn't add the x equals like VD, the whole VD cancel,
If I didn't add that,
it would just go out.
it would just go out, because I didn't cancel anything. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
I have a question.
Okay, yeah.
Why is it that cancel equals true makes it closed, whereas
Because-
the opposite?
No.
Why is true for
The action that I did was to close
Right.
the sheet.
Correct.
If I don't do anything else, the action will take place and the workbook will close. Okay? So if I want it not to close, I need to cancel the action that the user just did. The user clicked on the X to close the workbook.
Right.
If I don't cancel that, the workbook will close.
So I'm saying, why does true make it stay
Cancel equals true, meaning I want to cancel the close.
open? I'm saying, why does true mean for it to stay open?
Because cancel is to cancel the close. If cancel equals true, I cancel the close and the workbook does not close.
What if you would have done false? If you click OK, then it won't close. If you click cancel, it will close?
No. If
They
I would have
both
done false, it would have closed in any
They
event.
both would close.
Yeah. Because close is the action that I chose. The user clicks close this workbook,
Right.
right? So if I don't do anything, the workbook will close.
Okay.
Now I pop up a message box and say, do you really want to close? Now if he presses cancel, I want to cancel the close. How do I do that? By choosing the variable cancel and saying cancel equals true, meaning stop, don't close it.
I just don't understand why true means to stop.
Yeah.
It just makes it that the cancel will occur.
Yeah, but why true and not false? That's what this question
Why
is.
true and not false? I don't understand the true.
Cancel means to cancel the action of
Right.
closing, right? So if cancel equals true, then you cancel the closing. If cancel equals false, then you do not cancel the closing, and the file will close, the workbook will close.
And again, we need to do that if, because, as in, why doesn't the message box just know to do that on its own?
The message box is this.
No, why isn't VB okay cancel know that on its own? Why do you need the if you have, oh, okay, I'll get it, don't worry.
Okay, let's take a 10-minute break. You need to finish all three things if you didn't get it yet. All of these three. You have to have the code. In 10 minutes, we're going to continue.
Wait, why don't we go on for another 15, 20 minutes and then break for lunch?
We're gonna need a lunch break at some point.
Yeah,
Yeah, might as
it makes
well.
more sense.
Although we were,
Yeah,
we
lunch.
weren't looking forward to that 10 minutes break.
Just do it there.
Yeah.
What if it doesn't work?
Alright, you're good?
It's not. I
No,
tried
on,
to. On
this computer. You figured it out?
No, because I tried here and it not have all the.
No, we could try it on here.
By the way, where is Joseph? I have a little bit. We speak about the homework also, about the homework, because I did, but I have some kind of questions.
Like, I'm inclined, very much inclined. I told him, he like kicked out a piece of it. I mean, it's slash. Like, I know the music center, and I'm just concerned about my scheduling. I'll get back. When you need an answer back.
Do you get it?
So urgent, I mean, obviously.
Like, I don't know it.
Timely.
Right, well, because I, you know, otherwise I'd try to find,
Right.
some sort of event.
You got it.
That's not my.
You see why?
Tanda ka ba? Sila ka ma-fly mo? Yeah.
You changed it.
No, so you did it before it.
I understand what you're
And it'll show a message, you right click on the line, and then you just, now you use, what he's looking here, target row.
Is
Target
row.
There you go, see,
No,
there.
it's not.
That's immediately gonna identify
It's
the
the
right
right-hand
and that's gonna write next to it, and
bubbles.
column,
Keep going around.
Because if I could cancel,
and
then cancel. Or cancel the program.
yeah, exactly.
You do, that's
I mean, so you're, and that's it.
So right to the.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know.
We're on the second. So now I'll stop, close it, finish the
Copy the
program,
message box.
save it, and now go to the, save it, go over here.
Erase all of this.
I want, no, I was gonna save the program and finish it.
Now, start again.
You gotta have my first. So now you go, so you sit, do you have an end sub over here? Yeah, so now you just go over here, you right click anything. There you go. That's it. Yeah, just.
So that's already, so I wrote for you.
Why did that business?
Shows you on the thing. Go look.
And
It doesn't know what you want. And then
So this next one.
send